Hello friends, welcome to GK Academic channel. Now we are going to read about COVID-19 current affairs. The first questions are, which bank launched in COVID emergency credit line for large corporate? The options are A. SBI, B. UBI, C. Indian Bank, D. ICICI Bank. The answer is C. Indian Bank. The explanations are, Indian Bank launched in COVID emergency credit line for large corporate. Second question, do the 5 Help Stop Coronavirus campaign has been launched by which company? The options are A. Google, B. Microsoft, C. IBM, D. None of this. The answer is A. Google. The explanations are, Google has also initiated a campaign named Do the 5 Helps the Stop Coronavirus in its home page that lists out the 5 things people should follow to prevent coronavirus and also issued push notifications on the Google app for the Android and iPhone operating systems users in India. The third question, which organizations has launched a website for information related to COVID-19 pandemic? The options are A. SARC, B. UNCTAD, C. World Bank, D. United Nations. The answer is A. SARC. The explanations are, the South Asia Associations of Regional Cooperation Disaster Management Center has launched a website for information related to the COVID-19 pandemic in the region. SARC has launched the website www.covid19sdmc.org in aid to the pandemic. The website will show the number of coronavirus cases in the member states and updates the numbers regularly. The fourth question, which state has launched a corona mobile applications to provide information regarding hospitals, beds and ventilators? The options are A. Maharashtra, B. Delhi, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Karnataka. The answer is B. Delhi. The explanations are, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has launched Delhi Corona mobile applications to help track hospitals, beds and ventilators for COVID-19 patients. The app is available for download on Google Play. Question number 5. The Reserve Bank of India announced purchase of government securities of how many rupees through OMO to boost liquidity that remain under stress over COVID-19 related disruption? The options are A. 10,000 crore, B. 30,000 crore, C. 20,000 crore, D. 15,000 crore. The answer is B. 30,000 crore. The explanations are, the Reserve Bank of India announced additional purchase of government securities worth rupees 30,000 crore through open market operations to boost liquidity and enhance investor confidence in the financial market that remain under stress over COVID-19 related disruption. Question number 6. Which bank has introduced 1 year-long COVID-19 protection cover? The options are A. HDFC, B. ICICI, C. RBI, D. SBI. The answer is B. ICICI. Explanations are, ICICI Lombard, a private sector non-life insurance company, has introduced a year-long COVID-19 protection cover at premium of rupees 149, launched in a group insurance mode. This policy will pay 100% of sum of the insured to the COVID-19 positive individual, irrespective of hospitalization expenses. Question number 7. Which bank has launched an emergency loan facility for existing loan customer whose business has been hit due to coronavirus 2019? The options are A. UCO Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. BOB Bank, D. DBSE Bank India. The answer is B. SBI Bank. The explanations are, State Bank of India has launched an emergency loan facility for its existing loan customer whose business has been hit due to coronavirus 2019. Question number 8. Which state will provide free rations to construction workers amid the coronavirus outbreak? The options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Bihar, D. Odisha. The answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. The explanations are, the Uttar Pradesh government announced that around 35 lakh laborers in the state will get 1,000 each as a financial aid, while free rations for 1 month will be provided to 1.65 crore construction workers amid the coronavirus outbreak. Question number 9. Which state has planned to launch a India first plasma bank for COVID-19? The options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Delhi. The answer is D. Delhi. The explanations are Delhi government has decided to start a plasma bank in the national capital for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. The plasma bank is expected to begin its operations in next 2 days. It will be set up at the Institutes of Liver and Biliary Science in Delhi. Question number 10. Hashtag Stay Home in India with Books has been started by which ministry? Options are A. The Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Human Resources Development, C. Ministry of Power, D. Ministry of Finance. The answer is B. Ministry of Human Resources Development. The explanations are the National Book Trust of HRD Minister has launched Stay In and Stay Home to encourage people to read books while at home. It provides select and best-selling titles for free download as a part of its initiative of Stay Home in India with Books. The move comes in the wake of preventive measures of the government to India to contain the spread of COVID-19. Question number 11. Arogya Setu has been launched by which country to fight coronavirus pandemic? The options are A. Nepal, B. India, C. Pakistan, D. USA. The answer is B. India. The explanations are the government of India launched Arogya Setu, a mobile app developed in public-private partnership on 2nd April. The app is a part of the effort taken by GOI to contain the spread of coronavirus. Question number 12. Government launched chatbot on which social media platforms named by My Government Corona Help Desk to curb spread of misinformation on coronavirus? The options are A. Facebook, B. Telegram, C. WhatsApp, D. Instagram. The answer is C. WhatsApp. The explanations are government launched chatbot on WhatsApp named by government Corona Help Desk to curb spread of misinformation on coronavirus. Question number 13. Which state has launched Project Platina, world's largest convalescent plasma therapy trial? The options are A. Delhi, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. The answer is B. Maharashtra. The explanations are Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray on 29th June 2020 launched Project Platina, world's largest convalescent plasma therapy trial to treat severe COVID-19 patients. The entire plasma therapy treatment will be free of cost for all patients of Maharashtra. All critical patients will receive 2 doses of 200 ml of convalescent plasma. Question number 14. Which of the following bank has teamed up with the Bharti AXA to launch a complementary insurance plan which will cover all medical conditions including COVID-19? The options are A. UCO Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. BOB Bank, D. DBSE Bank of India. The answer is B. DBSE Bank of India. The explanations are DBSE Bank of India has teamed up with the Bharti AXA to launch a complementary insurance plan which will cover all medical conditions including COVID-19. Question number 15. Mylab Discovery Solution Private Limited has developed the first made in India test kit for COVID-19. The lab in which city? Options are A. Pune, B. New Delhi, C. Hyderabad, D. Bangalore. The answer is A. Pune. The explanations are Mylab Discovery Solution Private Limited, a Pune-based molecular diagnostic company, has developed the first made in India test kit for COVID-19. The kit was developed in record period of 6 weeks. Mylab Patho Detect COVID-19 qualitative PCR kit received commercial approval from the Indian Food and Drug Administration, Central Drug Standard Control Organizations. Question number 16. Bharatpe has started COVID-19 protection insurance cover in association with which bank? The options are A. ICICI, B. SBI, C. HDFC, D. RBI. The answer is A. ICICI. The explanations are: for the first time, Bharatpe, a New Delhi-based startup that is doing payment transaction business, has entered into the partnership with ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, a general insurance company in India, to introduce the COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeepers who are most affected financially due to coronavirus outbreak. Question number 17. Which organization has started global painting competition on the title United Against Corona Express Through Art? The options are A. ICCR, B. DRDO, C. MCI, D. BEL. The answer is A. ICCR. The explanations are: on 31st March 2020, the Indian Council for Cultural Relations launched a global painting competitions on the title United Against Corona Express Through Art. Question number 18. Who will be lead the COVID-19 Economic Response Task Force announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The options are A. Rajnish Kumar, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Amit Shah, D. Rajnath Singh. The answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. The explanations are: the Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the formation of COVID-19 Economic Response Task Force led by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to deal with the situation arising out of novel coronavirus outbreak. Question number 19. Which state has announced to provide 1 month free food grains to poor people along with the rupees 1000 as a compensation to daily wage workers who have been affected due to the outbreak of deadly virus? The, the options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. The answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. The explanations are: Uttar Pradesh government announced several actions and measures in its fight against coronavirus. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced to provide 1 month free food grains to poor people along with rupees 1000 as a compensation to daily wages workers who have been affected due to the outbreak of deadly virus. Question number 20. Which company has claimed to have launched an Ayurvedic medicine to treat COVID-19? The options are A. Reliance, B. Dabur, C. Patanjali, D. Himalaya. The answer is C. Patanjali. The explanations are: Patanjali on June 23, 2020 launched Coronil and Swasari. It's Ayurvedic medicine which it claims can treat COVID-19. There is no official confirmation on the same by any scientific or government authority. Question number 21. Manu Dibango, the famous saxophonist who died recently, belongs to which country? The options are A. Republic of Congo, B. Republic of Cameroon, C. Republic of Macedonia, D. Republic of China. The answer is B. Republic of Cameroon. Explanations: Cameroon-born African saxophone legend Manu Dibango dies in Paris at the age of 86 after catching coronavirus. Question number 22. The International Atomic Energy Agency has sent COVID-19 testing gears to around 40 countries. The kit use which technique? The options are A. CT-PCR, B. RT-PCR, C. GT-PCS, D. MTCIM. The answer is B. RT-PCR. The explanations are: the International Atomic Energy Agency, an autonomous wing of the United Nations, has sent COVID-19 testing gears around 40 countries. The kits sent by IAEA user the RT-PCR techniques. In this technique, the RNA of the virus is detected. The RT-PCR is a real-time polymerase chain reactions. In this method, the respiratory samples obtained from sputum or from nasopharyngeal swabs are tested. Question number 23. Which organizations has recommended the use of hydrochloroquine to treat COVID-19? The options are AIMM, AIIMS, B, DRDO, C, ICMR, D, BARC. The answer is C, ICMR. The explanations are the National Task Force for COVID-19 constituted by Indian Council for Medical Research has recommended the use of hydroxychloroquine to treat COVID-19 for a high-risk population. The ICMR directed that the hydroxychloroquine should be given to high-risk population asymptomatic healthcare workers. The medications can be used to treat the suspected and confirmed case of COVID-19, asymptomatic household contact of laboratory confirmed case. Question number 24. World largest COVID makeshift hospital is being planned in which Indian state? The options are A. Maharashtra, B. Delhi, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Gujarat. The answer is B. Delhi. The explanations are the state government of Delhi is planning to build the world's largest makeshift COVID-19 facility for the treatment of COVID-19 positive patients. The 10,000 bed makeshift hospital will be as large as over 22 football fields. Question number 25. Which of the following state has become the first state in India to adopt an automated technological solution for the citizen to carry out a self-assessment for test COVID-19? The options are A. Punjab, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Haryana, D. Goa. The answer is D. Goa. The explanations are Goa becomes the first state in India to adopt an automated technological solution for the citizen to carry out a self-assessment test for COVID-19. Besides, the app provides information on self-quarantine, helpline numbers to reach out to, and other such information. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the like button and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.